Hello everyone, hope you are doing well today. Welcome to my channel ProSkill. So today we will learn about getElementById. In our last video, we have covered types of elements in a DOM. So today we will cover one by one. First one is a getElementById. The method getElementById returns the element object representing the element whose ID property matches the specified string. So what it means, the getElementById always return an element which is related to that particular ID, that given name. So for example, this is getElementById and its ID is ProSkill. Rather you can do that like this. So here what exactly is that? ProSkill is an ID of this particular element. Suppose I have a div and div has ID is, and let me do so this is an element. So if I want to access this element, it always return an element object. So what we will do, we can store this element object in a particular variable. So suppose I have a variable this. So with the help of variable I can able to store a written object of that element. Let's jump to the VS Code and we will cover how it will work. So first of all, let me create an advanced JavaScript. So you can prefer any of the ID. I'm using VS Code. So this is a shortcut to open a VS Code for a particular directory. Now our VS Code has been opened and this is our directory advanced.js. I'm going to create a new file, index.html. Let me create documents over here. I've created documents. These all are document over here inside a DOM. So we have HTML, that language. First one is a doc type. This is the HTML5. That's why it's showing HTML. Its attribute is HTML. Second we have head tag, and inside head tag we have a meta, charset, and title. And inside the body we will start. So first let me create an element. So it's div id first one. So this is id. Inside id I'll create welcome to ProSkill. So this is an element and ID is an attribute of element. We can able to create one more file over here like demo.js, and we can able to separately create JS code over here, and then we can able to use it in our index file. But now I'm going to show you inside a tag. So we can create script tag. So before start this, I'll show you all the documents. And inside a document directory we have a document. So if I will enter this console, so all the document inside my file is displayed over here. So you can see the location, activity, all the elements. So you can see the HTML collections, head, body tag, everything is over here. Anchor tag, base URL, everything inside a document. So these are the properties of document which is inside our DOM. So let me show you how we can able to access. There's an ID, document get element by ID, and what's the string of our ID? This is first. So I'll print this one, document dot write. Let's print a result. It is written as an object. And what type of object is this? It's an HTML div element. So if you will see over here, so this is a div element, that's why it's showing HTML div. If I will change this to h1, let me refresh it. Here you can see this is HTML heading element. Let me console it. I'll check the result in a console. So you can see this written a complete element from the DOM. This is how we can able to access a DOM property with the help of getElementById method. If you have any query, so you can comment me, I'll answer you. So that's pretty much for today. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.